if you know, how do you get it from an all-time low? I'm in pieces, it seems like pieces, the only thing I never know.
Orla Carter, Thompson, Shoy, HMV, Dundrum, and Loughlin, Emil Collini, Taven, Way, Raycom, Titchin, and Liga, Peter Pants, whatever it is, Happy Girls Do. Ton alarm show Gullarai on Laura Fod. It's really gonna wreck our heads, but we'll get there. Mina Falter, if the wanted lads, couldn't have thought you. Hey, there was a momentary look of panic. I was like, oh, what do I say? Very welcome to Dublin. Is this the debut appearance in Dublin as a collective?
It is, yeah, first time, and really excited to be here as well.
First time I've ever been here.
Ever?
Switzerland, yeah. Got family, I've never even
It's really close, like you should really get over more often, it's great fun.
Really do.
Yeah, absolutely. But listen, as a whopper queue outside, and it's kind of an interesting one, because obviously your debut single went to #1 in the UK and it did very well here, but you know, not that I was surprised to see such a massive crowd, but for having one song, you've really got this kind of hype behind you, like this expectation I haven't seen in a long time. Are you aware of that kind of, ooh, these guys are going to be big isms?
I think the fan stuff came before the press stuff, so all the kids, a lot of them knew about us before any of the newspapers, so when we got the #1 in the UK, a lot of people weren't surprised, but the press were like, where have these people come from?
Westlife, you're not. Who wants to take that one? It's not a typical boy band sound, it's a bit rougher, isn't it?
I think so, yeah. I think because we wrote about 50% of the album, we really got our own influences in there. We're not trying to be a boy band or anything like that, stand up on the key change. We're just trying to be ourselves, our own style of music, and hopefully people like it as much as we do.
Although it is kind of cool to stand up on the key change, you know what I mean? Put your hand in the air, you know. Has to happen once. Yeah, this is slow motion grab. Let's everyone get a slow motion grab. 3, 2, 1, and we're grabbing. It's all good. Well, like you said, you wrote a lot of the album yourselves. You didn't get together on a reality show, so you was all kind of singing and performing before you came together, and how did you all meet? That's a typical question.
It was a mass audition. I came over from Ireland, and it was weird, wasn't it? Because
represented, by the way.
Yeah. But it was about 9 months, the auditions, and me and Jay came in the last 2 months. And you know, save the best at last. Obviously, the Irish.
So that's how they do.
Still last, even out a bit. Ever since that was a year ago. Yeah. So a year together now since then. So hope it's all going well.
But if you know, how do you get it from an all-time low?
At the minute, it's all work. We party when we can, but at the minute, we're just trying to get all our tunes out there and see what people think of what we've done.
A lot of people outside, a lot of people very excited. We wish you absolutely the very best of luck with it. The Wanted, or Pop Carter, very best of luck.
Nice,
we'll see you soon. You're playing Childline, right?
Yeah.
Feck Mashivik, Childline, The Wanted, and sure, Pop Carter, HMV, Loughlin.